Real estate investing involves purchasing, owning, managing, renting, or selling real estate for profit. There are several main types of real estate investments. 1. Residential properties. Residential houses, apartments, and vacation homes can be rented out to generate rental income. 2. Commercial properties. Commercial office buildings, retail spaces, and warehouses are used for business purposes and are often leased to tenants. 3. Industrial properties. Factories, storage units, and distribution centers typically generate income through leases and sometimes owner operations. 4. Real estate investment trusts. In this type of real estate investment, companies own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate and offer shares to investors, providing a way to invest in real estate without directly owning properties. Real estate investors earn returns through rental income, property appreciation, and tax benefits. Successful investing involves market research, property management, and sometimes property renovation or development.